amount that you want to prepare. I said I would get 2 crab cakes. I probably will get 3 or 4 out of that. Maybe, we'll see. I like big crab cakes, so make sure I get all the crab meat out of it. As much as that stuff costs, you do not want to leave any in the container. You want to use every morsel. All right. So there we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and start to fold in some of these breadcrumbs. Before I put the breadcrumbs in, I'm gonna go ahead and put the Old Bay seasoning in, and I'm probably gonna use about a half of a teaspoon or so. Oop. I don't wanna use too much. Probably about that much in there. That should be good. Then I'll mix that in. And I'll probably use about a half of a cup of breadcrumbs. So let's see. It's my cup here. All right, so that's about a half a cup here of the breadcrumbs. I'll see how it looks as I start to put it in. Because I don't want a lot of breading. I want it to mostly be the crab meat, so I just want enough just so that I can form the patties with it, but not to make them really bready. And you don't want them too wet. If they're too wet, then they won't make good patties. Probably gonna end up using most of this. All right, I think that might be good. Maybe a little bit more. You just kind of have to eyeball it to see what you feel is best. Yeah, I think that's good now. And a good thing about the breadcrumbs, not only does it help you to make your patties and for them to stick together, but it also spreads your recipes so you can make a few more. So here we go. It looks good now. That's the consistency. I'm gonna go ahead and heat my olive oil and then put them in the pan. They should not take any more than, I don't know, 10, 12 minutes to prepare. My favorite pot to use is my good old-fashioned cast iron skillet. Don't need a lot of oil in it because I don't do deep fried things, just enough for them to kind of sear or saute whatever on the stove. So let me get this heated up and get the patties ready. Now that's about the size I'm gonna make them. They seem to be sticking together pretty well, so that should be good. And I'll end up with about 4 crab cakes, which is perfect. Now I sprinkle them with just a little bit of paprika just to brown them. So I'll be doing that once I get my patties formed here. And I'll be back on. It's my paprika. The oil is ready for the crab. Trying to carefully not to have them break apart. There they are. I like to put a little bit of remoulade sauce on my crab cakes, and I picked this up from the grocery store. This is by Red Bone Alley, and it just gives it a little bit of a kick, so it's really good. And then I do the bird's eye vegetables that are steamable, and they are so good. Everything turned out really good. I served it with a side of basmati rice, and it was delicious. I enjoyed it so very much. All right, dinner has been served and it was absolutely delicious. I thank you so much for watching and stopping by today. I hope that you will do a visit over to the playlist to look at Denise's video, Kenya's video, as well as all of the lovely ladies of the Sister Circle. There are a ton of recipes out there going back 5 weeks, so a lot of different options out there. I've tried quite a few of them myself already, and I have jotted down notes for which ones I'm going to be trying, so I guarantee you will find some things that will interest you for ideas for your family. I hope you've enjoyed this series as much as I have. Please don't forget to subscribe and stop back by next time to see what I'm doing over here on the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. See you next time. Bye.